This video shows how to buy shares of Ncc Group Plc and searches how to buy shares of Ncc Group Plc as the example. NCC Group Plc is a UK cybersecurity and software resilience firm listed on LSE PLC under the ticker Ncc.L. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker symbol NCC.L to find the correct listing. Select the result that matches NCC Group Plc on the London Stock Exchange. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and a live price chart for Ncc.L. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct share. Choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming the buy. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order goes through. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.